Hey guys, I am out today at a workshop. I will be back tomorrow and you will get your tests back tomorrow. So, our learning targets for today are to one, find the circumference of a circle, find the area of a circle, and solve problems involving the circumference and areas of a circle. So, I'm going to skip ahead a few of these slides so you're not going to have to do every slide. So we're going to pass the same and different, and we're going to jump to the problem on page 99. So you need to get your books out and open up to page 99. And whenever you need to pause the video to get supplies or to solve a problem, just go ahead and hit the pause button. So pause until you get your book open to 99. All right, so on page 99 it says, High orders a center pivot irrigation system to water his fields. The system is made up of a line of connected pipes that turn around a center point. How's system will be 1,320 feet in length. What's the shape of the space High's system will water? And what's the longest distance across the watered space? All right, use the 3 reads protocol. What's the problem about? What are you trying to find out? And what's the important information? So in a moment, pause the video, turn and talk, show all your work on page 99. Go ahead and pause and then start playing once you think you have an answer with your group. Okay, so this is an example of something I might see on your page. So this line right here, that's like the center point, right? That's going to be your center point, and then that is the irrigation pipe. So if that pipe spins around that center point, the shape it's going to make is a circle. And if the pipes go halfway across, that's 1,320 feet. So if I'm trying to figure out the longest distance, well, that would be from one side of the circle to the other. So 2 sets of the pipes. So twice that half, or twice the distance of those pipes, is 2,640 feet. All right, so go to number 1 and answer number 1, and then check your answer with what I wrote. What I wrote is in bold and italics below number 1. So pause here, talk about number 1, answer it, and then check your answer with what I have on this screen. Okay, you're going to do the same thing with number 2, A and B. You're going to turn and talk, answer A and B, and then check your answers with what I have written on the screen, which is in italics and in bold underneath the questions. So pause, turn and talk, write down your answer, and then compare your answers with what I wrote. Same thing for C and D. You're going to turn and talk, write down your answer, and then check your answers with what I wrote for C and D. And then same thing for number 3. Number 3 you're going to do on your own though. So think about the radii of a circle. What do we know about radii? Once you finish all the questions on that page, you're going to go to the vocab on the homework pages. I want you to fill in this definition of area. So area is the number of square units that cover a surface. The other 3 boxes are yours to fill in. What do you know about area? And give me 2 examples of area. And then solve problem number 2 and number 3, A and B. So you're trying to solve number 3 2 different ways. Okay? All right, I will be back tomorrow.